So,
So
where are you
what
going?
so, Vaishu? What so?
Where
Huh?
are you going?
I'm going to my office. Today is my last day.
Are you emotional?
Oh no, no. Little bit, but not like. Oh,
So, what is more, the emotions or the happiness?
I think excitement. Like, yeah, like I've never been free in my life. I just want to enjoy this phase, till new job.
Cheers.
I love you.
Love you too.
One, two. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Have a good day. Hi guys, welcome to Glee Travelers. This is me Varsha along with my partner Mayur, and as he just said, this is his last day in office and he was with this company for last 14 years. So it's a very big day for him and we are heading to Indore. So after Mayur's last day from office, we have taken a night flight for Mumbai Indore. So we have some work also in Indore, so we will finish our work in the daytime and at night we are going to party hard. And Indore being food capital, we are expecting some delicious food. And that's my cousin Jay who has come to pick us up from the airport. और आते से ही some delicious soya chap. So first night Jay hosted us at his new place and we really enjoyed it. Day 2 guys, and after finishing our work in the daytime, we started our night at Ring Road Social. And it's a very beautifully done place, good DJ, good crowd and very awesome vibes. And cheers to good times.
What to these niggas? I understand. You got a 100 bands, you got a baby bands, you got some bad friends. High school pics.
After that awesome party, this is the time to have a late night drive and dinner at Maharaja Dhaba. Hey, day 3 it is and it's time for some good breakfast at Mama Loka. So today being Sunday, we have full day to ourselves. Beautiful cafe guys, and food was good and so was the music. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने थोड़ी सी शॉपिंग की at Palacia and after that Jay joined us for lunch. Beer Cafe is a nice place to hang out and Jay and Mayur they enjoyed their lunch here. बाय द टाइम हम लोग बियर कैफ़े से निकले ऑलरेडी शाम हो चुकी थी और एक दो गेड़ी मारने के बाद हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि हम लोग शाम को कहाँ पार्टी करने वाले हैं. येस गाइस, वी लव टू पार्टी एंड समहाउ वी फाइंड सम गुड प्लेसेस वेयर वी कैन पार्टी हार्ड. And we have come to this sundowner place, the Piano Project. It has a good indoor and a small outdoor space. Good vibes, good music, good crowd. But the USP of this place is the views. It gives you one of the best views in the town. And we enjoyed the sunset over here with this awesome techno music and some rain. Happy dancing guys, but remember we are just getting started. If you're looking for a rooftop place to party, this can be the one. And it's time for club hopping. Agent Jack guys, if you like Bollywood live music, this is the place to come.
मखदूम जिगर।
And the crowd was getting
बोले
crazy.
आगे किसी को सुनना है, बस इसी एनर्जी से गाना पड़ेगा मेरे साथ। मखदूम जिगर, कातिल है नजर, एक माँ है जबी, एक नूर नबी, रब की रुबाई या है तुम्हारी गर्दन सुराही, गोली इलाही, अवतार चलेगी, मासूम पड़ेगी, गाये लगी हरी गाये
Parshu is a fuck too. Parshu is a fuck too. मेरा गाना प्लीज से 4 बज गए लेकिन पार्टी
That brings us to the end of this beautiful Sunday. Day 4 and this is the last day in Indore. Being a Monday, हम लोग शाम को ही बाहर निकल पाए and we have come to छप्पन स्ट्रीट. How is it possible? आप इंदौर में हैं और छप्पन स्ट्रीट ना आए. This is a place जहाँ पे आप आके सब कुछ ट्राई कर सकते हैं, from veg to non-veg, from fast food to biryanis. So here's Mayur trying something new. He's trying Johnny's hot dog banjos.
खाएगा? अरे तू तो ये है ना, क्या बोलते हो तुम लोग? क्या बोलते हो तुम लोग?
शुद्ध शाकाहारी.
Shakahari. Shakahari. So guys, I'm going to try egg banjo. It's got mutton patty and egg roll in this. देखते हैं कैसे टेस्ट करते हैं. Yeah, it's nice.
And it's my turn.
इंदौर में पानी पूरी को क्या बोलते हैं?
And this awesome place for Thandai. You must try Thandais here.
Sexy. सच में sexy.
Street food की बात करें तो सराफा बाजार is very famous, but we couldn't go because of the less time, and it starts at 9 p.m. onwards. If you are a foodie, you must try Sarafa Bazaar. This was the time to head to party again, and we are back to the same Apollo Premium Complex, but to a new place.
हमेशा एक ही बिल्डिंग में आते रहते जय. कुछ काम नहीं है क्या तेरे को? और तुम मैडम, आप भी हमेशा एक ही जगह पे आते रहते हो. Yes, I'm talking to you, Varsha, the vlogger.
Bye. Don't follow us.
Yo!
For the cafe guys, and this place totally surprised us. A beautiful rooftop place with awesome live music, and this is how we party on Mondays. And I guess Indore has some very beautiful live music places, and this is again one of them. And that was our 4 awesome day in Indore. Next day early morning we had Mumbai flight. So back to sweet home. If you have seen the vlog till here, please go share, like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next vlog. And whatever makes your soul happy, do that.
Hi guys, welcome to Green Travelers. Hi guys.
थोड़ा
Okay.
okay, 3, 2, 1 once again.
Hi guys, welcome to Great Travelers.
This is Mayur
This is Varsha.
and we are in
Indore.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see